The war of words between the Indian Medical Association and yoga guru Baba Ramdev has escalated. After the calls for booking him under the Epidemic Diseases Act, IMA yesterday also wrote to Prime Minister Modi complaining about Ramdev's recent statements against vaccines and allopathy. In a statement against doctors, Ramdev had termed allopathy as stupid science. In another video that was circulated on social media yesterday, Ramdev was seen slamming doctors. He said that even after second dose of vaccines, as many as 10,000 doctors have died in the country. IMA has not only challenged the veracity of Ramdev's statement but also termed the statement as deceitful. It has also pointed out how his statement could lead to vaccine hesitancy among people when time and again several experts and the Prime Minister himself has stressed on importance of vaccination in the country. The IMA has also called for booking Baba Ramdev under sedition for his statement against frontline warriors. In another notice to Ramdev, it has asked for written apology. In case he fails to do so, the medical body has sought compensation of 1,000 crore rupees against the defamation. However, despite the severe backlash from medical fraternity, Ramdev remains defiant. While he has tendered oral apology, he also posed 25 questions to the IMA itself. Now another video of Baba Ramdev has gone viral where he is seen talking to reporters about the calls for arresting him. In the video, he is seen saying that not even their father can arrest Swami Ramdev. They keep on trending hashtags on social media, but we are now used to it. Watch this video.
अब उनके खैर अरेस्ट तो किसी वो जो है उनका उनका बाप भी कोई नहीं कर सकता स्वामी रामदेव को लेकिन एक शोर मचा रहे हैं कि क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव, क्विक अरेस्ट स्वामी रामदेव। कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी कुछ चलाते हैं, कभी ठग रामदेव, कभी महाठग रामदेव, कभी जो है कभी गिरफ्तार रामदेव। अब चलाते रहते, चलाने दो। तुम अपने लोगों को भी थोड़ा सा बीच बीच में अभी प्रैक्टिस हो गई है ट्रेंड चलाने की।
Meanwhile, IMA Uttarakhand officials have said that Ramdev's comments smacked of arrogance. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.